Fox Body Mustang? How about you guys down there? Fox Body Mustang? All right, Dave, Matt, the Fox Body Mustang, bring it on. How many Fox Body fans out there? All right. I'm pulling for Freiberger. I think it's a special day for us. Dave's not going down. It's the Fox Body against the Impala. Dave loves this car. I'm telling you, that's going to be good for at least 5 horsepower. Well, Freiberger definitely one of the burnouts there. All right, Mike, this is a tight one here. What do you think?
Let's see, that's an NA Mustang, right? No power rider? Ooh, with some streakers. If this guy can tree Freiberger, he's got a shot, I think. Ian's in the Fox Body. I like the style, he's not afraid.